how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. Hey guys, so let's just head on straight to canva.com. Now once you're here, you should be able to see this homepage, and you can also opt to create a design right here at the top right to get started with your personal portfolio. But if you're a beginner, I suggest to search on some templates. So you can see this search bar right here. So just click on it and you can type in portfolio. And this is where we can browse high quality portfolio templates for your next design. Now, if you scroll through these, you can notice that there is some that is on portrait mode and some are on landscape mode. So we can have a printed portfolio or an online portfolio. So there are some templates for each of those types. For example, right here, this is for an online portfolio. So this has multiple slides that a client can scroll through and see some of your work through your online portfolio. And there is some for portrait that is mostly meant to be printed, and then you can customize them as well. So we can just scroll through right here and find a nice template that we can start on. So we can start with this one. For example, you can tap on a template that you like, and you can have this option that says customize this template. You can also see the document size if you're looking for a specific size, so you can just see these details right here. And if you like that template, just click on customize this template, and Canva will make or open a new tab for you, and then you will immediately be able to customize this template right here. Now, before we customize our template, it is also nice to open up your files and create a folder for you to compile your work so that you can easily drag and drop it on Canva so that you can upload it and show it on your portfolio right here and immediately add in your work later on. Now let's go back to Canva, and this is the current appearance of the template. This is how it looks like. So we can customize these images right here. You just click on a specific image and click on delete so that we can change it onto our own art. For example, you have your compiled work right here, so you can just drag and drop them onto the Canva site, and then it will immediately upload your image like that. So you can drag it onto the page and add it onto a frame so that it can easily fit into the pre-made template that we have right here. So you can double click on it so that you can resize it. So you can also click on edit photo right here to further match it to our template. For example, I'm going to add a purple tint since this has a purple theme. So we can do that. You can also click on color edit so you can change the colors up so that it can match into your title page right here. And for example, this is your art. I'm just going to browse through a random art and add it onto our portfolio frames right here. So I'm just going to change this up to something more relevant to the theme. So of course you have to add your own work on these portfolio, on your personalized portfolio. And you can also add some elements right here from our photos gallery of Canva. You can resize it like this. So let's say you're an artist and you are showcasing your artwork onto your title page. So you can change up the text as well. Just simply double tap on them and change up the title. For example, if you want to add your name, so it's more personalized, you can resize it so that it fits better onto the portfolio. You can click on position right here and make sure that the text is centered as you desire, just like that, and selected art. For example, if you want to just specifically show art from a specific time frame, and you can also delete this one or customize it if you'd like. Now, it is also nice to have more pages onto your portfolio, so you can click on add page right here, and you can start from scratch and add in your work immediately, or we can also click on design right here at the top left part of your screen and scroll through the template and see if there is any template that has like a space for you to add your work while having a same color theme. As we can see, our title page is more on a purple theme, and if you want to use these, we can try to change the color. So I think the color is not really changeable on this template. So let's choose another template right here. You can also search for portfolio again and see some portfolio templates where we can showcase our work properly. So for example, this one, we can change up the color and match it onto our title page. So for example, let's make this to purple and this one to pink, and we can delete all these right here. Delete the text, and we can use this, and then we can customize the text again. And for example, we are planning to add in multiple pages and categorize our art, for example, by time frame. So 2020 artwork, something like that. And then you can just add in your work right here. So again, just open up your folder. If you have a current folder where your art is compiled, for example, I'm going to drag and drop this onto Canva again to upload it and add it to our portfolio like that. So you can adjust it as you like and add more work beside it and arrange it as you desire so that it is cohesive and organized and all compiled into your portfolio on Canva. Now, if you're done customizing your portfolio, just click on share at the top right. Let's click on download and change the file type to PDF standard, or we can also change it to PDF print. So PDF standard is best for documents and emailing. So this would be best if you want to send your portfolio through online or submit it through online. If you want to print it and submit a hard copy, you can click on PDF print. So it looks high quality to be printed on a paper or other hard copy material. So for now, let's opt for PDF standard so that it is more compatible for the online submission of portfolio. And if you just want a virtual portfolio or a soft copy of your personal portfolio. Once you have done that, just click on download right here and your portfolio should be downloaded in PDF form. So let's just wait for that. And then you can open up the PDF. And you should be able to see your portfolio in PDF form so you can review if you want to edit something and just go back to Canva and edit that. You can also change your file name right here as well. So that is how you can basically make a personal portfolio using Canva. Let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, just drop them down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.